Today we are discussing about the implementation of the ERP. So, following are the stages during the implementation of ERP software. First one is pre-selection and screening. Second one is package evaluation. Third one is project planning. Under project planning, following sub-phases are there. First one is gap analysis. Second one is re-engineering. Third one is configuration. Fourth one is implementation team training. Then testing of the software. Then end user training. So this all sub phases are coming under project planning phase of ERP. Next stage is going live with the ERP software. Then post implementation, that is maintenance phase. Now first phase, that is called as pre-evaluation or screening. It is an important stage. Though the package evaluation is the second stage, pre-evaluation and screening is important for the selection of the packages which are to be evaluated in the next phase. Because there are different businesses, manufacturing businesses, educational businesses, service businesses. Now you have to find out what which package is suitable for your organization. You are from which sector and which package is most suitable for your organizations. Some companies are expertise in a particular area, like SAP, who is expertise in manufacturing sector. Hence, to select only maximum 5 number of packages for the next stage, because the evaluation of packages is very critical task, and if you will select number of packages or n number of packages, it becomes very difficult for the next stage. So for the pre-evaluation and screening, identify the functions of your organization, what is your sector, and according to that you have to select the ERP package. The next stage is package evaluation. In case of package evaluation, what must be done? That find out the fitness of the selected package and your, or find out the degree of fitness between the selected package and your business operations. Whether they are functionally fit, what is the degree of the integration between the different departments. Third one, what is their flexibility, what is the flexibility of the package or scalability of the package. Fourth one is how complex the package is, and final one is user friendliness, because ultimately the end users are the company employees. They may include technical, non-technical, they may include IT persons, non-IT persons. So what is the main requirement is the package should be user friendly. The third important phase is project planning, in which teams who are implementing the projects of the ERP packages, they will that teams would be formulated, team leaders will be decided. Every team leader will assign the task to his colleagues. Time schedules will be decided. Responsibilities will be identified, and tasks allocations also there. So that particular team, they will decide what to do, how to do, from which point we should start, what should be our landmarks and milestones, what are our checkpoints, and when and how the project will be completed. So these are the important steps for the entire project planning is the important step. After after that project planning, there is the gap analysis, which is the most crucial phase, because what is your current situation of the company and what you are expecting after the implementation of ERP. Always there is been a gap between these two, and you have to bridge the gap. Otherwise, possibility of failure of your implementation, because your current business processes are different, and your software coding or source coding, if both are not matching to each other, you have to check that particular things, and hence you have to, in the next stage, you have to re-engineer the things. Now re-engineering means to match the ERP source code with your business processes. It can be done with the two ways: changing of job responsibilities of the current employees, and second one is downsizing. Now the downsizing is always not preferred, because it may, the employees may lose their jobs in the downsizing processes. So it is better to changing the responsibilities or changing the functions of the job, changing the job profiles, changing the job descriptions. So this process is called as the re-engineering processes. Then configuration. Configuration means synchronization of the existing practices of your businesses with the ERP package you have selected. That is called as this synchronization. And it is always preferred to change the business processes rather than changing of the source code of the business. Also, you have to map the business processes in such a way that they must achieve the goal after that you expected after the ERP implementation. So mapping of the business processes and synchronization of business processes, these are the most important things. You can create a prototype simulation to test it, how your business process is matching with the ERP source code, and then you can go ahead. The next stage is implementation team training. Though there are vendors, there are consultants, with their help we are implementing your softwares, but along with them some persons of your organizations must be there, because once you declare the successful running of the software, the consultant will leave your premise, and if any problem arises, then there must have the people in your organization who can handle the problems and situations. So there must be some teams who are working with the consultant and the vendors from your organization and the persons from your organizations. Then testing phase. Before going live or before declaring the software as operational, you must test the software. You have to find out the weak links, you have to repair it, you have to find out the bugs. After that, there is the going live phase, in which you are officially declaring that all technical things are now over and the software is in operation. At this stage, you are converting the database, creating new database, and removing or shifting the old system to a new system. So there is the official declaration that you are not working with a new system, that you are not working with a old system, but the new one system or new ERP software. And the last page is end user training. End user is the employee in your organization. So it's very difficult task to provide them the training according to their level, according to their designation. But you have to do it as now you have declared the ERP is in operational and you are using in the software in your daily business. In the post implementation phase, it is maintenance, mainly software maintenance and other tasks. So these are, or this is the standard procedure of ERP implementation.